Hello everyone! So if you want to enhance your Telegram messages with a quick formatting, replying and scheduling, here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up Telegram and let's open up the desired conversation. So I'll start with a reply because not a long time they added a quoting option. So for example, we can reply as we usually do. Let's just simply text hi and that's it. However, if you want to reply to some specific message, you can choose it, swipe to the left, and reply specifically to this message. Let's reply again, hi. However, if you want to reply to a specific part of a specific message, let's swipe it to the left again, tap on this arrow icon, and here you can quote. So press select specific quote, for example, let me do this again. For example, how are you? Press apply changes. And now you will be replying specifically to this quote. So just say fine. Easy as that. Now let's talk about texting itself. So you can format text in many different ways. For example, let's text I'm good. Now let's choose the message. Press select all or select only some part of it. So tap on those three dots. It's done pretty much the same on the iOS and Android, so no difference. And here you can choose how you want to send it. Regular, create link, underline, for example. Let's redo it. You can make it italic. You can set it on bold. You can translate the message if you want to, and you can translate it, for example, let's translate it to Chinese. A couple seconds, it's gonna be translated. Yep. So, as you see, we can translate it to Chinese. Easy as that. How great is that? All right, let's send this message. Also, you can send disappearing messages. So, for example, let's send some media, like this one, this screenshot. Now tap on this number icon and choose how you want it to be sent. So 3 seconds, with a 3 seconds timer if you want, 30 seconds timer or 10 seconds timer. The last but not least, what I would like to talk about is about scheduling messages. So let's make some message. Let's let's say hi. Now you gotta hold your finger on this sending icon. And here you can press send without sound, or you can press schedule message and choose when you want this message to be sent. For example, you want it to be sent on Thursday 25th on 17:20. So it's gonna be sent on this day. You can see all of your schedule message if you will check on this little timetable icon, and you can cancel it if you want to. So hold your finger, press delete. The same with all of the other messages. So choose any message, press delete, choose how you want to delete it for both participants or only for you. And basically that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.